In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headline. Public Health Minister meets with the district health officials. The gifted Herat child honored. And 3 Palestinians martyred in Israeli airstrikes. Welcome to the news package. It's Tuesday, the 23rd of Rajab al-Marajab, 1447, the 23rd of Jadid, 1404, and the 13th of January, 2026. The news details. Maulavi Nur Jalal Jalali, Afghanistan's Minister of Public Health, has met with district health officials from various provinces. The Minister of Public Health has stated that the officials discussed existing challenges and submitted proposals aimed at improving healthcare services. The minister assured the participants that their issues would be addressed and directed relevant authorities to take steps toward providing transportation, increasing salaries, and organizing staffing structures within the health sector. Maulavi Habibullah Agha, the Minister of Education, honored the 9-year-old Muhammad Amiri, a gifted student from Herat province. The child reportedly excels in mathematics and can speak 8 languages. The minister pledged support for the continuation of his education and encouraged him to complete his studies inside Afghanistan. The news continuation. The World Health Organization announced that Japanese government has donated $240,000 to strengthen health services in Afghanistan, stating that the funds will support life-saving care for vulnerable populations, including women, children, and displaced families. And ultimately, Al Jazeera reported that Israel has violated the Gaza ceasefire 1,193 times. In the latest incident, 3 Palestinians were martyred in a drone strikes in Khan Yunis area. That's the end of our news program. Further informative materials from Urooj Research and Publication Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.